Hi, this is Mohammed Sajid Hassan and you are watching Sajidz Tech. In this video today we will talk about the new version of Font Awesome where have some change from the before. So how you can use this latest version of Font Awesome in your website and you can make your website more attractive. In this video I'll tell you guys. So stay tuned with me. Before that, I just request you guys, if you are not a subscriber in my channel, so hit the subscribe button, and if you already subscribed, so thanks a lot. This video we will talk about the latest version of the Font Awesome. So first of all, you need to just download this file from here. Just click on the download for free and click OK, and it's downloading, but I didn't to download it because I have already downloaded it in my desktop here. After that, you need to just extract this file, and I am already extracted it in here. And now from here I have already make a Font Awesome. Check, this is a folder where I take index.html and jquery.min.js. But in the previous version of this Font Awesome, you needn't to use any type of jQuery, but if you want, in this version you can also use jQuery Font Awesome for your icons. If you want to use jQueries, then you can use it in jQuery too. So for that I have made it here, and I just take here dummy text, call it LOREM. Just make it the 50 words so that it will looks like a website here, and just refresh it here, and here it is. And now here it is. Now what I have to do is that I will use the Font Awesome in this website here. And so what I have to do, I have already extracted everything here, so I needed to take anything. So just open this Font Awesome and I will show you what I have there. So first of all, just go to the advanced option. Here you will get the raw SVG files. There are three type of files. There is the brands. Here's all the brand name, like that Facebook, YouTube, Google Plus. These are the brand icon here, and here's the regular icon, and here is all the solid icon. And you will get it from here as a SVG icon for free. So you can, if you want to use the SVG icon, then you can grab this SVG icon from the raw SVG. From where is in the advanced option. Now go to the SVG with JS. Here, if you want to use Font Awesome in your jQuery file, by the jQuery you can use it. But I refer you guys to use the CSS because CSS is more quickly to load. And then you can use in your desktop. So because by that, just copy that font here, and I just install this font in my Windows. Where my Windows is, there's the Windows, and from here just go to the fonts, and that's all. Just paste out it there, and you can now use these fonts in your desktop, in your Photoshop, in your MS Word, anywhere where you want. By that you can use it. And now I just to hear this out, and I will now just go back. I'll show you in this tutorial the both part, how you can use Font Awesome with CSS and how you can use it with jQuery. And just go to the Font Awesome file, and just to use it with CSS, just go to the web fonts with CSS, and from the CSS just grab the Font Awesome all.min.css. Just grab it, and I will just take it here in my folder where I will work. Just paste it here, and you need to add another thing from here is that just go to the CSS, just go back once again, and here is the web font. Just copy this folder, and you need to just take this folder here with them, and we need to work with them. First of all, we will take work with the CSS of Font Awesome. Just go to here and link out the CSS file here. Just take a link from here and link out the fontawesome.all.min.css. Now we will start our work. For that, just go to the here, and now go to the icons from here, and we will find out the icons from here. And here it is. I type here user, and here it is. They will all get the user icons are there, and just hover over it. There is some pro icon. If you just pay it, then you can use this icon, but you will, that means that you will get the code of this icon. But this where have no any type pro, then you can use it for free. Suppose I use this or I use this, so just click on here to this user, and you will get three type of fonts for it. There is the solid, here is the regular, and the light. That is the more professional, quiet, more easier, more soft, but you need to pay for it to use it. For the free fonts you need to pay for it, but for the pro fonts you need to pay to get the code. So I needed to use it. I will use the regular version of here. So this is that they do not give you the code. This to use it you need to pay it. So just go to the free fonts. I will use the regular font for here, and just go down below and you will get the code. Just click here to copy this font from here, or you can download it as SVG from here, or you can also copy the Unicode from here too. I just copy the code because I will use it in my website. So I just take it here and paste it here, and just let's see how it looks like here. So just here it is, but it doesn't work here because I have a problem. Is that I just show you guys after just make a BR tag to make a line break here, and here it is. The font doesn't show because there have a problem is that they do not get the font from here, the TTF font, so that they can work. For that, what you have to do, there is just go to here and just open it with the font or some all.min.css with your CSS file, and from the very bottom of this CSS file you will see that they require the web font file from here, and they just here all the SVG, TTF and WOFF files are here, and they just link the font or some all.min.css with that, and they link their fonts of the web fonts here, link these fonts with the font or some all.min.css by just giving the double dot, and that means the folder here, this font or some folder file may be in a folder here, and it may be named anything. I just take here the CSS, and under this folder the font or some will .css will be kept here, and by that and they will now link them. Just font or some .min.all.css, just link here like that, just give double dot / that means they just go out from here, just go out one step, and they just go to the web fonts. That means to as we know in the style.css linking process, they just double dot / that means one step, then in another step. So you need to keep this font or some all.min.css in a folder, and then after that keep the web fonts with the CSS, not under the CSS folder. So by that they just linking it properly. Now it will work. I just refresh it and it's working here, but it doesn't work because I have do not linking it here in my index file properly. Just make it the CSS and the font of some all.min.css. Now it will work. Here it is, it's working, and you can use here as your own. I just use another font here. I will use now the solid font from here, and you can use it. Just copy the code from here, and I will just paste it here, and it's okay, and refresh it here, and here it is, it's okay. And now you can stylize it as it is. Just I make a style under this, and I just take it the font size. I just make the size as the 100 pixels. The color I make it the red. Okay, and just refresh it. Here it is, these are working. And now guys, I will show you guys with the font awesome with the Jquery, that means the SVG. If you want to use, then you can use it. So just go to the font awesome again, and from here just go to the SVG with JS, and first of all just make it the commenting so that it will not work here. Okay, and here it is, and we will just go to in the JS from here. First of all just go to the JS and just take the font or some all.min.js, copy this file folder file, and then just paste it here, font or some all.min.js, and I will link the Jquery here now, script, the src, and from the src, just first of all just link the jquery.meaning.js. This is the library file of jquery, and the font awesome all.meaning.js here, and we need to use a css file here. Well, go to the css and just take the fasvg with js. Here is the styles. There are some style of the css, so just take it here, and you can I just keep it here fasvg with js, and I will just link that here. And now just add the link here of this css here, this link, this css fasvg with js, this link. Just go to the css and linking with them, and now we will use it as our. So now it will work because I have already just make it here, so I just cut down it from here, and I will add another link here. Just go to there and search another. I just take the Facebook here, and you will get a lot of Facebook icons. Just add this icon here, just go to this icon from here, and these are a lot of icons. I just copy this icon from here, just copy this icon and paste this icon here, and it's working here. Just refresh it, and here is the, but in this there have some problem is that it will not stylize like the css. Here have some problem style, and make the type type, sorry, type, make the type text.css. Now we will stylize this Facebook here. So before that, if you use it with the jQuery, then if you stylize like with I by I, then it will not work, because I just stylize with I color red, but it will not work. So what you have to do, if you use this with your jQuery file, then you need to stylize this by their class. This class, there is the Facebook icon, and then just copy this here, and now it will work. There it is, it's working. And just making font size, it will be, I just take the font size 300 pixel, and it's big, and by that you can use. Don't worry guys, I will give you all the this project file here, and what we learned from here is that if you in this new version of Font Awesome, if you use it with your css file, you needn't to face any problem. But if you guys use it with your jQuery, then you need to stylize it by just calling their name. So that's all, and I always refer you guys to use it with your css file, because it's more harder to you to use it with your jQuery. And another thing is that in this new version you will get fonts for your desktop too, and you can use it in your desktop. You can use it with jQuery, you can use it with CSS, and you will also get a raw file of SVG images here too, and you will get it from here. That's it. If you guys have any problem, then just comment under this video. And if you guys like this video, then give a thumbs up under this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.